Hey y'all, welcome to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard. Glad you could join me today. On today's video, we're following suit behind the cooking cop and babe and Papa Texas. Both of them have done videos on Uncle Steve's competition, cow powder and pig powder. One chose cow powder, one chose pig powder when they put it on ribeye steaks. So today I'm doing the same thing because I've never tried these rubs before, and I'm gonna see which one I like the best. And I'm going to do it all on a Santa Maria style grill. So let's get to it. All right, first off, going with the cow powder. Oh yeah, very nice. You can definitely see why Papa Texas chose that cow powder. Next up, a pig powder. All right. I can see why Cooking Cop chose this one. This one's a little more saltier than the cow powder. At least that's for me. So if you're liking that, you'd go with that one. Now let's go with my creation. It's a mixture between the two. Oh yeah. Let me go back to the cow powder again. Since it's just a competition between the cow powder and the pig powder, I've got to go with the pig powder. But if you mix the two together, you get a really awesome combination. So you got to try that out. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.